Hey, fam. So last time, we talked about keeping a conversation alive. But you know what's even more powerful? Making someone feel heard. Not just talking, but connecting.
Yes. Like when someone nods, makes eye contact, or says, I totally get that. I instantly feel seen.
Exactly. It's called active listening. It means you're not just waiting to talk. You're tuning in. A few phrases go a long way. Like, that makes sense. Wow, tell me more. I hear you. That must have been tough.
And my fave? I feel you, bro. It's casual, but it tells people you get them.
Also, here's a little trick I use. Repeat a keyword from what they said. Like, you were stuck in traffic for 2 hours? That's brutal. That echo trick? Super effective.
And don't hijack the story. You know the, oh, that happened to me too? People? Sometimes, just let them have the moment.
Boom. Respect the emotional space. Try these. That sounds like a big deal. I totally understand why you felt that way. Thanks for sharing that with me.
And if you're vibing super casual, say, man, that hits different. Or, no cap, I hear you.
And remember, whether you're formal, chill, or slangy, just be real. People don't remember every word, but they'll remember how you made them feel.
Stay kind, stay real. See you in the next one.